What's up guys, it's Flash. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to trade stocks when the stock market's collapsing, so stay tuned. What's up guys, I had to interrupt the video and I do apologise. I just wanted to let you guys in on a little secret. The Flash Forward day trading course is out now. If you're interested to learn how to trade stocks the correct way, check the link out below guys. God bless. So first of all, I want to clear the air. Yes, we are possibly going into a recession in 2020. Everything is going crazy right now in the stock market. So I wanted to make this video to explain to you how you can make money when the stock market is crashing. People are under the illusion that you can only make money when the market's crashing by shorting it. This is not true.
You are fake news. Sir, go ahead.
We cover all this information in my Trading with Flash course, but I want to go over some little sneaky tips with you guys. So when the stock market gets bad or good news, it comes into volatility and people rush to the stock market either to sell their shares or to buy their shares, whatever the case may be, and the price fluctuation and news following will cause the market to crash or spike. So once you have volatility either in the stock market or certain stocks you're looking for, it will increase the price up or down. Now, people have this illusion that when the market's crashing, let's short. Yes, you can, but it's not the only option you have, and you have to be very careful if you have that mentality. So just because the stock market is at, say, $500, for example, and it's fallen, the arse is falling out and it's absolutely tumbling, people think, okay, let's short, just jump in anywhere. Such a rookie mistake and dangerous move. You'll blow up your account really quickly because it will only take a quick spike in reaction to cause you to lose your whole account by just being impatient and jumping in on a short position to try to ride a wave. Really bad trading. If the stock market is in a bad position and you feel more comfortable by shorting, please use this tip. When the stock market is falling down, it will hit certain levels of support that we should have marked out and charted out within our charts. This should be done before the trade is even taken, before you even start looking into it. So as it falls and it's either breaking or holding levels of support, if it looks like to hold a level of support, the stock will hold up and bounce. When the stock has bounced, so it's like a basketball, it will fall in levels of waves. It will rarely just go boom to the bottom. So it will fall in waves. So when it does bounce off of support and spike, okay, what we're doing now is we look for a level of resistance. So where previously held support, that will become resistance. So when the stock bounces and spikes, we're looking for it to hit that resistance level. Okay, when it hits the resistance level, this is where we go short. So a lot of people don't understand that is you go short when the market is spiking or reversing slightly into resistance, you take your short position. The reason why you do this is it's safer that if it does decide to spike through your resistance, we have a stop loss set that we exit the trade. So this is our entry point at a resistance to short the market down. Okay, so that's where we want to be entering to ride the market back down again. It's the safest time to enter a stock is at a resistance if we're looking to go short. We do not enter it as it's collapsing. Okay, another tip is when you enter your first position and it's confirmed that you are right and it will fall back down from hitting this, we can then add to our position on breaks of support, and that's okay because we're already in at a safe level. We know we're protected. We can add to our position as the stock starts to break further down to new lows, and that's okay too. So that's another tip you should use when trading the stock market when it's collapsing. Now another thing is people think, oh, you can't buy stocks when the market's collapsing. Wrong. Yes, you can, but you have to be aware the stock market is collapsing or in a very bad state. So you have to have that in your mind. Number one, only do it if you feel comfortable and you think or know that the stock market is at the bottom. You can then hold a stock overnight. I don't recommend doing so, but what I will recommend doing when buying stocks is if the market's collapsing or in a really bad way and we are buying stocks to go long, we have to understand that the overall market is in red, it's in a dire condition and it's looking quite bad. So we have to understand our position or time or length of duration in this trade will be quite short, and that's okay, but we can still give us the option to buy a stock. So what happens is the stock is coming down, hits levels of support. Once it hits levels of support on our trade that we're looking for, we want to be buying off those support levels. And where do we want to sell? We want to be selling into small spikes of resistance. Now these might be only small scalps, but if you do it right, these scalps can become quite rewarding and you can do it quite regularly. As you know, the stock market's collapsing. We will get a little spike off of support. We jump in here to buy it with our stop slightly below. It rides up, hits a small resistance, we sell, get out of the game, watch the stock fall back down again, hit a support, we buy again off the level, and we rinse and repeat. That's what the stock market is to make money. You rinse and repeat a strategy that works for you, and that is how you buy stocks in a crashing market. Please remember, we do not hold these for a long period of time. These are just small scalps. If you wish to hold stocks in a crashing market, please make sure they're reliable companies. Don't hold penny stocks in a crashing market. It is very dangerous. I don't recommend it to anyone that's not an advanced or experienced trader. So hold reputable companies, but please make sure in a crashing market that you have good reason to believe that this is the bottom of the market and it's going to recover. So do your due diligence when trading, especially in a red market. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit like and subscribe. It would help me out a lot. If you have any questions, please make sure you reach out. And if you are looking for mentoring or looking to take my flash forward course, there is a link in the description. Go check it out. Once again, good night and God bless. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned.